All right. So now we move on to the next segment of our program this evening. Um, so this is a very special performance featuring 5 styles of dance representing the cultures of South Asia. These dancers come together to pay homage to Lord Shiva. This production has been directed by, and the entire music score composition by our very own Abhishek Balakrishnan. We extend a heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ratna Kumar for the artistic direction in choreography and for guiding the young dancers who you are about to witness today. At this time, I would like to go ahead and introduce our artists, just so that we save time while they set up the stage behind the curtains. On the Kathak, we will have Jin Wan. On Mohiniyattam, we have Sindhu Satish. Kandyan will be performed by Salia Lankun, Kuchipudi by Sachita Chaliki, and Bharatnatyam by Shashank Ishwara. Jin Wan is a celebrated Kathak dancer and tabla player. She seamlessly blends cultural synthesis with rhythmic innovation. Hailed by New York Times as an exuberant dancer whose musicality transforms her dancing into something primal, she masterfully bridges tradition and contemporary expression. Born in South Korea, Jin trained for over 15 years in Indian classical arts under Pandit Divyang Vakil and Srimati Shubha Desai in India. She serves as a director at the Talim School of Indian Music in New Jersey and as the artistic director of Pradhanika Dance and Music Company, performing at prestigious venues such as the Kennedy Center and Lincoln Center Atrium. Her influence extends to academia, where she has conducted master classes at universities and art institutions. Her creative works have premiered at renowned festivals and conferences. As curator of the Erasing Borders Dance Festival and president of the Korean American Arts Council, Jin fosters cultural exchange and empowers artists across communities. Through her artistry, she continues to captivate audiences, transcending borders with her innovative approach to rhythm and movement. What a beautiful journey. Please put your hands together for Jin Wan. Sindhu Satish, born and raised in Houston, Texas, is a distinguished and passionate classical dancer, specializing in Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. Her dance journey began at the tender age of 4 under the expert guidance of Dr. Ratna Kumar at the Anjali Center for Performing Arts, where she developed a strong foundation in Bharatanatyam. Driven by a deep connection to her ancestral roots from Kerala, India, Sindhu embraced the graceful dance form of Mohiniyattam. She began her training under Dr. Sunanda Nair of Sunanda's Performing Arts Center and continued her advanced studies with Anisha Rajesh at Upasana Kala Kendra in Katy. Her dedication culminated in the successful completion of her Arangetram in both Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam in 2011. Sindhu now resides in Washington, D.C., where she continues to expand her dance knowledge and seek new opportunities to share her artistic passion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sindhu Satish back to the stage. Salia Lankun is a Sri Lankan professional dancer and founder of Sri Lankan Cultural Dance Academy in Houston, Texas. He began his vibrant artistic career with mastering traditional Sri Lankan dance and drums, and then completed his Bachelor's in Fine Arts Dance and Drama specialty from the University of Visual and Performing Arts in Sri Lanka. He also obtained Visharad in Bharatanatyam from Bhakta Kandev Sangeet Vidyapeeth in Lucknow, India. Salia then expanded his horizons over international stage as a professional dancer and a drummer in the world-renowned Channa Upali Performing Art Foundation, performing over 15 countries. Salia participated in the world-renowned opera Pearl Fishers at Houston Grand Opera as the consultant artist for Kandyan dance as well as a performer. His dance academy has participated in various dance events with other organizations in Texas. Recently, he won a gold medal for his dance production, Chronicles of Ravana from Muse. Salia continues to teach and share his knowledge of Sri Lankan dance to the international community. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Salia. Sachita Chaliki began her journey in the classical art form of Kuchipudi at the tender age of 5. For the past 11 years, she has trained under the expert guidance and tutelage of Dr. Ratna Kumar, director of the Anjali Center for Performing Arts, further refining her craft and deepening her connection to the art. In 2019, Sachita achieved a significant milestone by performing her Ranga Pravesham, a testament to her dedication and skill. Her performances have graced esteemed stages, including the Indian Consulate General in Houston, as well as various fundraisers and cultural events, reflecting her passion for sharing this timeless art form with diverse audiences. Through her artistry and commitment, Sachita continues to celebrate and preserve the rich traditions of Kuchipudi. Sachita, please welcome to the stage. Shashank Ishwara is no stranger to the Houston audience. He has performed with us before. Son and disciple of Srimati Vani Ishwara, he has been learning Bharatanatyam as far back as he can remember. Shashank has performed extensively across the United States. Shashank is a National Young Arts winner for dance and has been featured in all of his mother's dance productions from a young age. He collaborated with many artists and organizations across the world for a number of solo programs and group productions, including Sri Tyagaraja Ragam Tanam Pallavi in Dallas and Seattle, the Battery Dance Festival in New York, Yuvakala Sangam in Phoenix, and Krishna, Frost to Fire with the Abhinava Dance Company. Additionally, he has performed for the Margari Festival in Chennai. Recently, he also had the honor of performing at MS University of Vadodara, presenting a Margam dedicated to the choreographies of his Paramaguru Padma Bhushan awardee, Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar. Additionally, Shashank is trained in Mridangam and is a disciple of Sri Puvallur Sriji. He is currently a student at the University of Texas in Austin. Ladies and gentlemen, you had an oral treat about half an hour ago or 15 minutes ago, and now get ready for a visual treat. Please sit back, relax, silence your phones if you have not already done so. I know there's a whole lot of new people that joined us, and everybody welcome, and we hope you enjoy the show.
Welcome to Arudra, the divine rhythms of Shiva, a journey into the very heart of the cosmos, where every beat and every movement resonates with the eternal pulse of Lord Shiva. This sacred performance invites you to experience the boundless energy and divine presence of the cosmic Lord, whose rhythm flows through every particle of existence. Through this presentation, we explore the many facets of Shiva, the destroyer, the transformer, the source of power and harmony, the Lord of silence, and the one who unites with Parvati. Through the sacred dance forms of Kathak, Mohiniyattam, Khandiyan, Kuchipudi, and Bharatanatyam, we take you on a journey across South Asia. Each dance form reflects the rich cultural diversity of the region, with movements and rhythms that bring to life the powerful forces Shiva represents. From the fierce energy of destruction to the gentle flow of transformation, from the steady strength of cosmic balance to the transcendent wisdom that leads to liberation, we deliver the divine dance of Shiva in all its forms. As you witness this divine performance, feel the rhythm that unites all of creation, the rhythm that connects the past, present, and future, the rhythm of Shiva.
Dha, din, tha, dha, din, da, din, da, din, da, din, da, din, da, 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 din, din, da, din, 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 da, din, 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 da, 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 din, 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 da.
Ta hatta ta nuttannam tari ತಾಹತ ತಾಣುತ್ತ ನಂ ತರಿ 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 ತಾಹತ ತಾಣುತ್ತ ನಂ ತರಿ ತಾಹತ ತಾಣುತ್ತ ನಂ ತರಿ ತಾಹತ ತಾಣುಂ ತರಿ ತಾಹತ ತಾಣುಂ ತರಿ ತಾಹತ ನಂ ತರಿ ತೈ ತಾಹತ ನಂ ತರಿ ತೈ ತಾಹತ ನಂ ತರಿ ತೈ.
Do mi ki ta 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 ta do mi ki ta do mi ki ta ta do mi ki ta do mi ki ta ta.
ತ ತರಿ ತ ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ರಿತ್ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ್ತ ತರಿ ತರಿತ ತರಿ ಝಣ್ಣು ಝಣ್ಣು ತರಿತ ತತ್ತರಿ ತರಿತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ ರಿತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತರಿತ ರಿತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತಕ ತರಿತ ಝಣ್ಣು ಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತ ಝಣ್ಣು ಝಣ್ಣು ತರಿತ ಝಣ್ಣು ತಕ ತದಿ ಗಿಡ ತೋ ಗಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೋ ಗಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೋ ಗಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೋ. ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ 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 ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೊಂ ಕೆಡದಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ಕೆಡದಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ಕೆಡದಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ.
धा धिन धिन धा तक धिम तक झण्डु तक धिम तक धिम तक धिम तक धिम तक झण्डु तक धिम तक झण्डु तक तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट तक धिम तक झण्डु तक धिम तक झण्डु तक धिम तक झण्डु तक धिम तकिट तक धिम तकिट तक धिम तकिट तक धिम तकिट किट तक तरे किट तोम किट तक तरे किट तोम किट तक तरे किट तोम.
सा सा नि प प म ग रि स रि सा 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 नि प प म ग रि स रि सा नि प नि सा म ग म प नि सा सा नि प प म ग रि स रि सा नि प
தலாங்கத்தும் தக்கததிகிணத்தும் தாகிட தக்கத்தும் தக்கத்தும் தத்திங்கிண்ணத்தும் தாகிட தக்கத்தும் தக்கத்தும் தத்திங்கிண்ணத்தும் தீங்க தக்கிட்ட தீங்க தக்கிட்டத்தும் தத்தும் கிடதக்கு தரகிடத்தும் தீங்க தக்கிட்ட தும் தத்தும் கிடதக்கு தரகிடத்தும் தின்னா கிடதக்கு தின்னா கிடதக்கு தின்னா கிடதக்கு தின்னா கிடதக்கு தின்னா கிடதக்கு தின்னா கிடதக்கு தாகிட்ட ஜம் தரி தி தாகிட்ட ஜம் தரி தத்தி தாகிட்ட ஜம் தரி தத்தா तटी गिणत ताकिट झम तरी ति ताकिट झम तरी तत्ति ताकिट झम तरी तता तटी गिणत ताकिट झम तरी दि ताकिट झम तरी तद्दि ताकिट झम तरी तता तटी गिणत
सा सा नि प प म ग रि स रि सा नि प नि सा म ग म प नि सा सा नि प प म ग रि स रि सा नि प नि सा म ग म प नि सा सा नि प प म ग रि स रि सा नि प नि सा म ग म प नि सा. sani pa pa ma ga ri sa ni sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ni ni pa ma pa pa ma ga ri sa ma ga ri sa ma ga ma pa ni pa sa ni pa pa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa sari sa ni sa ma ga ri sa sari sa ni pa ma ga ri sa ni pa sa ma ga ma pa ni ga ri sa ma ga ma pa ma pa ni sa ni pa pa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa sari sa ni sa ma ga ri sa sari sa ni pa ma ga ri sa sa ni pa sa ma ga ma pa ni ga ri sa ma ga ma pa ma pa ni sa ni pa pa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa sa ri sa ni ni pa ma ma ga ga ri sa ni sa ma ga sa pa ma ni pa sa ni ga ri sa ni pa ma ga ga ri sa ni sa ma ga sa pa ma ni pa ga ma pa sa ni ga ri sa ni pa ni pa ma pa ma ga ri sa ma ga ma pa ni pa ni sa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni pa ma ni pa ma ga ri sa ma ga ma pa ni pa ni sa ma ga ri ma ga ri sa ri ga sa ma ga ri sa ni pa ma pa ni sa ri sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni ga ri sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ma ga ri sa ri sa ri sa ni pa ma pa sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni pa sa ni pa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa pa ma ga ri sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa 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 ni sa ma ga ma pa ni sa
Our journey begins in the heart of Tamil Nadu at Thiruvannamalai, the sacred mountain where Shiva manifests as an eternal flame. Here he is Annamalayar, a beacon of devotion whom saints and sages have worshipped for centuries. Among these saints was Thirugnana Sambandar, whose hymns resound through time, praising Shiva as the cosmic fire that illuminates the universe. His Devaram, Vananai, speaks of Shiva's brilliance, the great ascetic who is both terrifying and compassionate, the one who stands unmoving like the mountain itself, It burns with the radiance of divine energy.
Tajam tarita jam 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 tarita dhanata jonota dimita tanam tarita nam 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 tarita dhanata jonota dimita tajam tarita jam jam tarita jam ta tanam tarita nam nam tarita nam nam te tajam tarita jam ta tanam tarita nam te tajam tarita tanam tarite tajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim ta takadari gadagatam takadari gadagatam tajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim ta takadari gadagatum tajam takadari gadagatum tajam takadari gadagatajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim tajam tanam tarum gatim ta takadari gadagatak takadari gadagatak takadari gadagatam
ஏனனை இகழ்ந்தார் புறமூன்றைத ஏனனை இகழ்ந்தார் புறமூன்றைத ஏனனை இகழ்ந்தார் புறமூன்றைத ஆனனை அடியேன் மறந்துய்வன் ஏனனை இகழ்ந்தார் புறமூன்றைத ஆனனை அடியேன் மறந்துய்வனுவானனை மதிசூடியமைந்தனை தேனனை திருவண்ணாமலையனை வானனை மதிசூடியமைந்தனை தேனனை திருவண்ணாமலையனை வானனை வீரனை வீரனை விடமுண்டனை வீரனை விடமுண்டனை விண்ணவதீரனை திருவண்ணாமலையனை வீரனை விடமுண்டனை விண்ணவதீரனை திருவண்ணாமலைய ஊரனை உணரார் புறமூன்றித ஊரனை உணரார் புறமூன்றித ஊரனை உணரார் புறமூன்றித ஆரனை அடியேன் மறந்துய்வனும் ஊரனை உணரார் புறமூன்றித ஆரனை அடியேன் மறந்துய்வனுவானனை மதிசூடியமைந்தனை தேனனை திருவண்ணாமலையனை வானனை
From the mountain of fire, we now journey to Chidambaram, the temple city where Shiva dances in endless motion and represents the element of space. This is still life, where the sages, the Andanars, have sung his praises, where the golden roof of the temple shimmers like the cosmos, and where the veil is drawn back to reveal Shiva in his formless essence, Chidambara Rahasyam, the great mystery.
தில்லை வாழந்தனதம் அடியார்க்கும் அடியேன் தில்லை வாழந்தனதம் அடியார்க்கும் அடியேன் திருநீல கண்டத்து குயவனார் கடியேன் இல்லையே என்னாத இயற்பகைக்கும் அடியேன் இல்லையே என்னாத இயற்பகைக்கும் அடியேன் இளையான்றன் குடிமாறன் அடியாகும் அடியேன் இளையான்றன் குடிமாறன் அடியாகும் அடியேன் வெல்லுமா மிக வல்ல மெய்ப்பொருளுக்கடியேன் விரிபொழில் சூழ்குன்றையார் பிரமிண்டற்கடியேன் அலிமென் முல்லையந்தார் அமர்நீதி கடியேன் அலிமென் முல்லையந்தார் அமர்நீதி கடியேன் அரூரன் ஆரூரில் அம்மான காளே.
Our journey to celebrate Shivaratri now takes us north, where the fierce Rudra reigns. We now witness Shiva as the destroyer, the one who burns away illusion and ignorance, the force that reduces the old to ashes so that new creation may rise. This next piece unfolds through percussive movement where rhythm itself tells the story. Each footfall echoing the pulse of the universe, each spin embodying the whirlwind of destruction and renewal. Rooted in the traditional Lucknow Gharana, where storytelling and pure dance merge seamlessly, we explore the fiery, untamed energy of the Rudra, set to a powerful composition by Pandit Divyang Vakil.
Dhim, tak, 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 dhim, takadima, 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 taka 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 dima 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 taka taka dima dima taka taka dima dima taka taka dima dima taka taka dima dima taka 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 dima 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 taka dima taka dima taka dima taka dima taka 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 dima 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 taka dima taka dima taka dima taka dima taka 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 dima 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 taka dima taka dima taka dima taka dima taka 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 taka
धग धग तकिट तकिट रुद्र रूप महाकाल धिग 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 नग धिता चंद्र भाल मुख विशाल धट 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 धरत धान धिग नग टिट तकिट तान तक धुम किट धिंग धिंग तक तड़न्न धानता जय 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 शंभु हर 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 महादेव धिमि धिमि तक दुंग 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 तक तक धिमि तक धिमि तकिट धिकिट धिकिट बम 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 डमरूधर जय भोले महाशिव धान तान धान तान धा बम 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 डमरूधर जय भोले महाशिव धान तान धान तान धा बम 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 डमरूधर जय भोले महाशिव धान तान धान तान धा
From the fierce rhythms of Rudra, our journey now turns southwest to the land of coconut groves and sacred temples, Kerala. Here, devotion flows like its rivers and dance takes on a new form, graceful, fluid and deeply expressive. This is Mohini Attam, a dance of enchantment where movement is poetry, where stillness is as powerful as motion, and where each sway reflects the ceaseless flow of time. The Kerala tradition takes us to Ettumanur, the temple town where devotion resounds in all 8 directions, the very place where legend says Adi Shankaracharya composed Saundarya Lahari. Through the fluidity of Mohiniyattam, grace and devotion emerge.
പ്രഭാതമായി തൃക്കണിയേകിയാലും പ്രസാദമാം പൊന്നൊളി തൂകിയാലും കിളിപ്പുറത്തെത്തിടും എൻ പുറാനെ തളിപ്പരമം വീണ തമ്പുരാനെ ഓം നമ ശിവായ ഓം നമ ശിവായ നാഗേന്ദ്രഹാരായ ത്രിലോചനായ ഭസ്മാംഗരാഗായ മഹേശ്വരായ നിത്യായ ശുദ്ധായ ദിഗംബരായ തസ്മൈ നകാരായ നമഃ ശിവായ ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय
तक्किट धिन्न तक्किट ताम ताम दीन तक्किट धिन्न तक्किट दीम दीम दिन तक्किट ताम ताम धिन्न तक्किट दीम दीम तदिंगिन तुम ताम
मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहुपुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृन्द सूर्याय दक्ष ध्वरनाशकाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृन्द सूर्याय दक्षध्वरनाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय कुम्भोद्भव गौतमाय मुनीन्द्रदेवचित शेखराय चन्द्रार्कवैश्वनर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय स्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय பாலரும் முட்டு குத்தி தொழும் ருத்ரமூர்த்தே எட்டு தீர்ப்பாலரும் முட்டு குத்தி தொழும் ருத்ரமூர்த்தே அஷ்டமூர்த்தே ಚಂಡ ತಾಂಡವ ಮಾಡಿಡು ಅಂಡಕಡಾಹ ಸಂರಟೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ 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 எட்டு தீப்பாலரும் முட்டு குத்தி ருத்ரமூர்த்தே மண்டன மண்டலத்தோடனே ஆஸ்தான மண்டபத்தில் வரும் மண்டன மண்டலத்தோடனே ஆஸ்தான மண்டபத்தில் வரும் நேரம் ஏற பொன்னான யானைக்கும் நின்ன ஈழேருலகும் நவிப்பு நின்ன ஈழேருலகும் நவிப்பு எட்டு தீபாலரும் முட்டு குத்தி ರುದ್ರಮೂರ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟಮೂರ್ತೆ ಚಂಡ ತಾಂಡವ ಮಾಡಿಡು ಅಂಡ ಕಡಾಹ ಸಂರಟೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ 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 ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
As we journey beyond the lush lands of Kerala, we now move further south, crossing the vast Indian Ocean to the island of Lanka. A land steeped in devotion, where the waves crash upon golden shores and the groves hum with divine melodies. Over 1,000 years ago, the Tamil Shaivite poet Thirugnana Sambandar sang of this sacred land. He spoke of Mathotam, where the fragrance of temple blossoms fills the air, where Shiva himself resides in Tiruketishwaram, an ancient shrine that has withstood the test of time. This is the Lanka of Ravana, not as a king or a warrior, but as a devoted servant of Shiva. In this very land, Ravana composed the Shiva Tandava Stotram, an eternal hymn to the cosmic dance of destruction and creation. Now witness the graceful and powerful movements of the Kandyan dance.
அங்கம் மொழியன்னாரவர் அமரர் தொழுதேத்த வங்கம் மலிகின்ற கடல் மாதோட்ட நன்னகரில் பங்கம் செய்த பிறை சூடினன் பாலாவியின் கரைமேல் செங்கண்ணரவசைத்தான் திருக்கேதீச்சரத்தானே திருக்கேதீச்சரத்தானே கரிய கரை கண்ணல் கண்மேல் ஒரு கண்ணால் வரிய சிறை வண்டியாள் செய்யும் மாதோட்டனம் நகருள் பரிய திரை ஏறியாவர் பாலாவின் கரைமேல் தெரியும் மறைவல்லார் திருக்கேதீச்சரத்தானே திருக்கேதீச்சரத்தானே. தென்னிலங்கையர் குலபதி மலை நலிந்தெடுத்தவன் முடித்தின் தோள் தன்னலங்கெட அடர்த்தவர்கருள் செய்த தலைவனார் கடல்வார் பொன்னிலங்கிய முத்துமாமணிகளும் பொருந்திய மாதோட்ட பொன்னிலங்கிய முத்துமாமணிகளும் பொருந்திய மாதோட்ட துன்னியன்பொடும் அடியவரிறைஞ்சு கேதீச்சரத்துள்ளாரே அடியவரிறைஞ்சு கேதீச்சரத்துள்ளாரே.
वीगलज्जलं प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलं व्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट भावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणं मम प्रमोदमान मानसे कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदे क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजङ्ग पिङ्गल स्फुरत्फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रवं प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुरस्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेन्दुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूतभर्तरी ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणी विधूसराग्नि पीठभूभुजङ्गराजमालया बद्धजात जूलक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखर ललाटचन्द्रज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयस्फुलिङ्गवान् पीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखरेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटा नमस्ते करालभालपट्टिका धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयाहुतीकृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके राघवेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रक प्रकल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीन मेघमण्डली निरुद्ध दुर्धर स्फुरकुहूनिशीथिनी तमः प्रबन्धबद्ध कन्धरः निलिम्ब निर्झरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्ति सन्धुरः कलानिधान बन्धुरः श्रियं जगद्गुरं
Shiva is transformation. The stillness that flows, the fire that purifies, the energy that unites. Across traditions, across forms, dance mirrors this eternal shift. Two styles, two bodies, moving as one, separate yet seamless. A moment where rhythm dissolves boundaries and movement becomes prayer. Our journey takes us from Sri Lanka back to Tamil Nadu, where a young man, eager to see Shiva's divine dance, joins the procession moving to the rhythm of a traditional Mallari. Word has spread that Shiva has arrived in his town, but instead of the majestic Nataraja, he finds only a banyan tree swaying in the wind. Undeterred, he asks Shiva to dance, playing music, but Shiva remains silent. Frustrated, he walks away. In this moment, the banyan tree reveals a deeper truth, guiding him toward a new understanding of devotion. In this piece, we shift focus from Nataraja to Dakshinamurti, Shiva as the Guru, where silence and meditation lead to wisdom. Through Bharatanatyam, we explore this contemplative form of Shiva.
din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak din tak din din tak din din tak din tak ta 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 din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta ta din din tak din din ta ta din ta ta din ta 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 tam.
O Shiva, O Nataraja, I've come so far just to see your divine dance. Won't you show me just once? I know, you'll need music, won't you?
Drikkete tom tom, drikkete tom tom, drikkete tom tom, takkete dingene tom. Drikkete tom tom, drikkete tom tom, drikkete tom kitte, takkite dikkite tom kitte nalkitte tam.
Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, drikita tom tom, takata dingina tom. Idi paramananda netta.
Tata din, tata din, tata din, din takka din din, tata din, tata din, tata din, din takka din din, tata din, tata din, tata din, din takka din din, tata din, tata din, tata din.
मौनव्याख्या प्रकटित परब्रह्मतत्त्वम् मौनव्याख्या प्रकटित परब्रह्मतत्त्वम् मौनव्याख्या
तत्ता दिन दिन तक दिन दिन तत्ता दिन तत्ता दिन तत्ता दिन दिन तक दिन ता
श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
From the sacred banyan tree of Dakshinamurti in Tamil Nadu, our journey takes us to Andhra Pradesh, the land of Kuchipudi. This classical dance form traces its roots to Yakshagana and the rich tradition of dance drama, evolving into a solo performance art only in the past century. Our performances thus far have portrayed Shiva through the lens of divinity and devotion. But what about Shiva as a husband, as a man with emotions and relationships? Shiva and Parvati bring forth this very perspective, a romantic tale where the divine couple, seen as a regular husband and wife, experience a misunderstanding that is lovingly resolved before they unite as Ardhanarishwara.
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्तारानायकशेखरा स्मितमुखिमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकां रक्तोत्पलां बिभ्रतिं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परम् अम्बिकां ध्यायेत् परमम्बिकाम् अम्बिका अम्बिका।
Dingu taka taka ta dingu taka ding ding kukuta kukuta dingu takku ding dingu takku dugu takka dangu taka taka ta dingu taka takka dingu ding ding kukuta dingu takku ding dingu takku dugu takka dangu taka takka dingu taka tariku taka taka ta dingu taka tariku taka takka dingu taka tariku taka taka ta dingu taka tariku taka takka dingu taka taka ta dingu taka janu ta dingu taka dimi ta dingu taka takka dingu taka ta dingu janu ta dingu dimi ta dingu dimi takka langu taka tiku kutu kutu takka dingu taka ta dingu janu ta dingu dimi ta dingu takka langu taka tiku kutu kutu tum takka dingu taka ta dingu janu ta dingu dimi ta dingu takka langu taka tiku kutu kutu tum.
प्रपञ्चसृष्टुन्मुकलास्यकायै समस्तसंहारकताण्डवाय जगज्जनन्यै जगतेकपित्रे नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय.
Our journey through Shivaratri has been a journey through rhythm itself. Now all these energies come together in one final celebration, Tillana. A dance celebrating rhythm where differences dissolve and what remains is the pulse of the universe, Shiva. Choreographed by Dr. Ratna Kumar, whose artistry and vision have brought this moment to life. A heartfelt thank you to her for guiding this journey of rhythm, devotion and dance. We thank all of the musicians who gave their talents to putting this production together. On vocals, Vatsan and Kashyap Kalvakota. On violin, Pranav and Abhishek Balakrishnan. On flute, Vishweshwar Nagarajan. On veena, Sastri Vedam. On mridangam, Naga Srinidhi and Shashank Ishwara. On tabla, Aditya Srivatsan and Mike Lukash. On natvangam, Shashank Ishwara and Dr. Ratna Kumar. On multi-percussions, Shashank Ishwara. For the Sri Lankan drums, Salya Ilankun. For the Kathak compositions, Pandit Guru Divyang Vakil. Lastly, for the composition and production, Abhishek Balakrishnan.
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हर हर बोले नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय हर हर बोले नमः शिवाय. धीं तदर दानि न धृधृधृधीं 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 तदरदानि उदन दीं दीं दननदीं तदरदानि न धृधृधृधीं तदरदानि उदन दीं दीं तननदीं तदरदानि न धृधृधृधीं. धृधृतुं धृधृतीं ततरतानि दीं न धृधृतुं धृधृतीं ततरतानि दीं तजं जं किट तद जणुत किट तरि तकतणं किट तद कदिमि किट तरि दित्तिल्लन धृतिल्लन धृधृतन धृधृधृ दित्तिल्लन धृतिल्लन धृधृतन धृधृधृ दित्तिल्लन धृतिल्लन धृधृतन धृधृधृदीं तदरदानि न धृधृधृदीं ततरतानि उदन दीं दीं तननदीं तदरदानि न धृधृधृदीं.
तक takita 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 takademi 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 takita 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 din 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 takita takita takademi 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 takita takita din takita din takita din takita din takita din takita din takita takademi takademi takita din takita din takita din takita din takita takademi takita din takita din takita takademi takita din takita din takita ginnatom 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 tadin 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 ginnatom
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्
Wow. Wow and wow. No words to describe. That was such a treat. And I'm going to make you all jealous because I had the front row seat. What a beautiful production. How beautifully they brought, this is completely off script, by the way. I'm in awe. And aren't we all lucky to be in Houston, to have something like this come together in front of us so beautifully, so touching, and every piece of it was so impeccably done. And to think that they just practiced once yesterday. Thank you to each and every one of you for your dedication to the art form, for your willingness to share your talent with us, and for making us all jealous and making us feel like we are not that good at anything. But we are so fortunate to have witnessed what you've done for us. There's one silent performer that did not get recognized, who you may or may not have recognized. The voice of the narration. I caught on to her. I don't know if you all did or not. Rupa Balakrishnan, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up and take a bow. Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you all so much. If I can take a moment to have these wonderful artists felicitated, please. If I can request Ratna Auntie to please come on stage for a moment, and Mrs. Sudha Ravimani to come up stage as well. Dr. Ratna Kumar, known fondly to all of us as Ratna Auntie. I request Mrs. Sudha Ravimani to please honor her. Ratna auntie has a special bag. Always special. Thank you, Ratna auntie, for always inspiring us, motivating us. We love you. Sindhu Satish, please step forward. Mrs. Sujata Murali will honor Sindhu. Salyan Lankun, please step forward. Mrs. Ranjana Narsimhan will honor him. Sachita Chaliki will be honored by Ravi Chandran. And Jin Wan will be honored by Bala. Bala Balakrishnan, please come on stage. He's coming. That's it. Shashank Ishwara, please step forward. The multi-talented. And if I can have Abhishek Balakrishnan as the music director of this program to please step on stage. Thank you for inspiring all of us. Absolutely. Your energy is contagious and really inspiring.